Hello everyone, welcome to Xpert.com. Today we are going to see project about security domain using machine learning. Here we are going to see the project name Secure Land Registration using blockchain. So as name suggests, you may know idea about this project. This project used to secure the land registration details using blockchain technology. So as of you know everyone. Currently, if you're going for the land registration, means everyone following the written ledgers only they are following. Once land registered means the written record, they can transfer the details into online. If you need to purchase any land means you can check the land details via online. Directly can go, you can put the land survey details, land survey number. You may get the previous owners, next is everything. Next to land details, uh, beside land details, everything through online. So this is called as a online land details. But there is, if you need to register the land means you may go to direct only. If you are visiting direct means then only they can register the land. But the main problem was, what is the main problem here means, if you are having multiple lands, if you are having lands means those your owner details, those details are available on the internet for everyone very easily. So someone may hijack those information, they may threaten you for that land. So in future, when compared to money, land only more precious things compared to gold and everything. Land only will become the more precious things. Okay, so what will happen means, if you are having multiple land in your name means major threat will be happen to you. There is huge security problems. But what government will happen means government providing those details easily via online, so everyone can search for the land owner details everything using online platform. That is the main drawback here. So what, for that purpose only we are using blockchains to secure the land details, land owner details. So we are make complete online platform for land registration using complete blockchain technology. This is this project complete overview of this project. So this is the project base paper. As you see, this is project base paper. This is the user input, this is second user input. Those details are completely converted into land transaction, means blockchain transaction. Those will save into automatically backend. So this is the main overview of the project. Okay, this is the main overview of the project. So here what we are going to do means we are going to run this project here. So just a minute. Running this before running this project, I will just explain the project PPT. So this is the project PPT, secure land registration system using blockchain. This is overall project PPT. So this is project abstract. You may see that while getting this project, if you are purchasing this project means we can explain you deeply. For free of course, we are explaining basic concept of the project here. So here we present that using blockchain we are going to secure the land registration records as well as the proposed system completely using secure storage as well as complete chain access rules to convert those data into blockchain format as well as contract format. So here by using this you can omit the security issue as well as scalability problems also will be reduced. What's the meaning of scalability problem means, if you're providing much more details means cloud will take huge amount of space, but this project contains very less space, so the scalability problem will be reduced here. Also this benefit was it is scalable as well as secure. This project having integral blockchain, so you are not using any external blockchain here. This project comes under the blockchain domain. So here we explained what's blockchain. Blockchain is the cryptographic hash format. All the data will be converted into hash format with a complete timestamp. All the details will be interlinked with one by one. It's completely resistant to modify it. No one cannot be able to modify the data. This is project literature surveys. We have mentioned 5 literatures here. So overall existing system problem definition was land registration needs lot of paperwork as well as it was more time consuming as well as there is huge security gap. So this is the major problem in existing system. Everyone using centralized system. So you have to go to register office for registering your land details and everything. There is lack of privacy as well as reliability. There is the main problem here. The major drawback was, as I mentioned earlier, this is centralized communication problem system. There is security as well as data privacy problems are there. So for that purpose only we are going for the proposed system here. In proposed system, as I mentioned here, we are completely using smart contract. Smart contract means the combination of sender and receiver details will be paired into smart contract. Using this smart contract only, using the smart contract way only, you can access all the details and everything. This is called as a proposed system. For generating the blockchain details and all, we are using SHA-512 as our proposed system algorithm. Okay, so we are using SHA-512 hash algorithm as a proposed system. So you can see landowner can update the details as well as land register, that government register also can view and approve those details and everything. Buyer can also view these details, but all the details are paired with a smart contract. No one can able to view, no one can able to decode the content. This is the overall architecture of the project. There is a huge involvement between multiple buyer as well as multiple seller as well as multiple admins. Those details are converted into smart contract format using this blockchain block of data. Okay, this is the overall architecture of the project. While getting this project, we do explain more thoroughly this project. Overall advantage also mentioned here. The major advantage is project was confidentiality. Your complete things was very secure. No one can able to view all your details. As well as this is more secure, as I mentioned earlier. You don't need for any internet connection to run this project. This is completely reliable. You can trust this completely 100%. This is the overall requirement for this project. We need Windows as well as Python for this project. The ID which we are using was Anaconda Navigator as a software. This is conclusion of the project. Everything okay clearly mentioned. So this project basically deals with the multiple contract between the seller as well as the buyer and then the government sector. All the details are converted into smart contract as well as hash format. This is the overall conclusion of the project as well as reference. So without wasting much further time, I'm going to run this project for you. So this is the project code. Just I'm opening project code here. Running the project, I'm just opening Anaconda command prompt. So Anaconda command prompt I'm opening here. So I'm just putting the path of the code where it's present. It's present under the this location. I put that using cd space. Then this is my main code app1.py. This is my main code. I'm going to run that main code. So here the project implement for all the states. You can see the state details and everything. So I'm going to run this project. Python space app1.py. This is my main code. So I'm going to run my main code here. So this is my main code. Just I'm using this. So once project run means I'm copying and pasting the localhost address. This is my localhost address project output. Just I'm pasting as in browser. You may see this is the overall home page of the project. This is the overall home page. So you may see this is complete overall home page. You can sign up here. So if you're going for the user side as well as if you're going for the admin side, that is government side, means you can sign up. Just I'm using user sign up here. For making some user, I'm just testing with some person. For example, I can take some person name Ganesh as a username, last name M. Password I'm giving 1 2 3 4 5. This is my password I'm giving. Date of birth. So date of birth, giving some other date of birth. You may see the date of birth. All the details are secure, so it's visible while clicking you only. It's visible. So this is the date of birth. I'm just giving age as a 30 years. So this is my age, 30 years I'm given. Test that I'm giving address as a Chennai. So country was I'm selecting India as country. State I'm selecting Tamil Nadu. You can see Tamil Nadu as my state. I'm selecting Chengalpattu as my city. Chengalpattu as my city. So I have to give my personal contact details 9988777655. So example I'm giving someone numbers. Then I have to give unique Aadhaar card number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I have given some Aadhaar card details. So land details. I have to register my land, so I'm giving yes. Then I have to specify my land details. What I'm going to do means I'm just typing any content. My land presented near Chennai. So I have typed my land presented near Chennai. Then I given I'm selling this land for 1 crore. Just I'm putting some contents here. So I'm putting some contents here. So this is my basic land details. You can type multiple contents also, not an issue. Just I'm putting some basic contents here. Just I'm giving sign up here. So once sign up made means you have to note down your details. This is your ID. So for example, Ganesh, the person you know, Ganesh, this person user ID was PAT0065. This person username as well as password 12345. This person password I'm giving. So those details which you are entering land details and everything, those details are converted into the hash format. You can see this hash format. Everything completely converted into hash format. So see, this is the hash format. So in what I'm going to do means I'm going to give logout here. Once the logout made means just I'm going for the home page. I'm going to sign up for the admin side also. I'm creating new admin. That means government sector admin I'm creating. So government sector admin name was I'm giving as the Umesh. Umesh as the username. Password was 12345. Umesh password. Organization Tamil Nadu government. I'm giving Tamil Nadu government. Organization. So it's a government organization. I'm going to give organization unique number. That means that register office unique number. I'm giving something onto uh, something unique number I have given. So official email ID was umesh at tamilnadu government.in. I have given some government details here. City Chennai. I have given city name was Chennai. City name was Chennai. I have given. Domain name was land register. I have entered the person details and everything. I have to give submit. Okay, I have submitted. I can check with the my account details. You may see. So this is my ID. ADM21. That means admin 21. ADM21. Username password 12345. So I have created. So what I am going to do means I have to give logout here. So what I am doing means now I am going to log in with the admin. So you may see admin username was ADM21 admin username. Admin password was 12345. Just I'm giving login. So you may see create record. Now I'm going to create a land registration record here. Just to create record, just you have to enter general record. Here I have to fill the land registration details. So overall, the person you know, for the person whom you are going to register the land, that person ID PAT 0065. That person name. He was male. His age was 30. His land details. Land current height was overall 35 feet. The overall width of the land was I am giving 25 feet. Okay. So the total area square feet area was 1500. I am giving 1500 square feet. So overall details was uh, no bad problem amount settled, and then what I'm doing was this land belongs to Madan here after solely hereafter full responsible to his authority. Just I'm adding some context over here for registering the land details. the owner blood group also we have to enter. For security purposes, we are going for the owner blood group. Then what I am going to enter the how much rate 1.2 crores. I am giving 1.2 crores. So that person having children means the next nominee. Yes, children means yes. Any nominee means yes. You have to give. Okay. Nominee name Ramesh I am giving. So this is the overall land details. Just give apply. See, overall details are entered completely. Overall details are entered. What you have to give means you have to add data. So data has been added. Data has been added. What you have to do? Once record has been added means what I'm going to do means I'm going to log in with the users. So for the user, what I'm going to use, username will be pat0065. As you know, username was pat0065. As well as password will be 12345. This is the user password I'm giving. So I'm just giving sign up. So once sign up made means what I have to go, what I have to do means I have to use view records. So in view records, you can see the records. See the records here. So the owner ID will be pat0065. So it's record created by ADM22, admin 22. So male, the age will be 30, width of the land 35 feet, height of the land will be 25 feet, overall area size was 1500 square feet. Admin, owner blood group, overall rate will be 1.2 crores. The overall rate of the overall things of the land was 1.2 crores. Once again, so then he having children as well as he nominated as a children. So this is the record as I said earlier, this is the overall record. Those data are already converted into hash form as well as blockchain. Where you have to find out means here I created the MongoDB website. In the MongoDB website you may see that. So data whatever I entered. So this is the once again, this is my overall database. So directly I connected this database with my project. Okay, so you can find out here. Overall rating you can find out here. So this is my database. I have used this database over here. So you may see that. So database was currently active. I can go for the blockchain database servers. So the patient name was 65. So I have to go for the 65. So here I found out that. So you can see everything here. So here see that data record name was pat0065 record 4. So you can see that pat0065 record 4, as well as you can see. So ADM made by ADM22, the overall details which we provided are available. All the data are converted into hash format, blockchain format, everything converted into blockchain format. Like this way, this person can verify all these details. This is live project. You can check with the multiple system. All the system will be worked perfectly. So then, so after checking the data, what the person can do means he can share the data also. So what I have to do means I have to share my records. So what I am going to do means I have to share my record. So what I am going to do means here I am just giving, I need to share this record with the admin 23. That means another register. So I am going to share with the another register. For example, just clicking share here. So the using this type of data, you don't need to visit any register office from any state to any countries. Directly you can do with from here itself. Okay, just I'm sharing this data to the admin 25, another register. My data was pat username was pat0065. I'm using just to generate. So once data generated means what I'm going to means I'm going to give logout here. So without wasting time, I'm just using admin 23 login, ADM 23 password 12345, username password. Just I'm giving login here. So what I'm going to do means I'm going to give available records. You can see user 65 record available, but I can't able to see the status was looking cancel only. There is no any information. So what I have to do means I have to request from the user using again by using the request button. What I'm going to do means pat0065 username. Just I'm requesting record. That means some contract meaning. You can see multiple records of the particular user. I just need this record 4 only I need. Just I'm giving request. See the data. So accessor will be admin 23. The owner will be pat0065 username. I just need record 4. Just I'm giving request button. Once request generated means what I have to do means I have to go to user login. I just have to log in with the pat0065 username. Just I'm going to 12345 as username, my username and password. Just giving login here. Once login means you can see access log. Go to access log. You can see ADM 23 record has been generated. So the record name will be record 4. So just I'm giving accept. So I have accepted. Just I'm going to give logout buttons. Then I'm going to give the admin login. ADM 23 I have to use. Then I'm going for admin 12345. Just here I have to go to available records. You may see the records here. pat0065 record 4. Just go for the view button. You can see all the datas. The ADM 22 made by ADM 22, male, age 30, weight 35, height 25, blood group as well as rate, children's available and everything. All the data are you can get, okay, but this data are converted with the blockchain platform. Here you may get that blockchain platform. Like this vice versa, you can share with anyone. So this is the overall working of the project. So by using this you can access all the data. So if you need to purchase this project means without wasting time you can approach ieeexpert.com. We can give you all this project for best cost. Thank you.